Hey, it's me, Kathy, and it is Tuesday. It's Tuesday, and it's 222. 222. Too many twos, I can't say it all. Anyway, today I thought I'd have a little fun. I don't know if you know, but a couple of days ago I made some French onion soup, and I'm tired of eating it. I've tried some different experimentation with it, but I'll keep that to myself. But this one is going to be the way to finish it off. Now, I had half a loaf of the bread left over that I used to the croutons for the soup, and I have some of the soup left over and some of the cheese left over, and today we're going to make a French onion soup pull-apart bread, and it's going to be fun. Stay tuned. Here's our bread, and I have it on a baking sheet lined with parchment, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut it almost all the way through in about 1-inch sections, this way and this way. Let's hope it doesn't fall apart on us. Stay together, baby. I gotta make it crisscrossy. Okay, so we can open these up. You can see that there's all these little sections, and what we're gonna do with these sections coming up. Okay, so I've melted some butter with a little bit of tarragon and some cracked black pepper. What we're going to do is brush this butter all over this bread, getting down inside those crevices. Get in there, you. Our bread is all buttered. I can just eat it this way. This crust wants to fall off a little bit, but because we're going to have cheese and stuff, we can actually, it'll be like glue that's holding it together. So this is our leftover Gruyere from the French onion soup, and we're going to take it and we're going to take little pieces and push it right in here in these crevices. Push it as deep in there as you can. Okay, cheese is in. It's a messy job, and for the second part, I think I'm going to wear a pair of gloves because this is going to be really messy. This here is our leftover French onion soup. I've drained some of the juice off, but you want to keep it somewhat juicy because you want the bread to absorb all that oniony deliciousness. And we're going to, I'm going to have to hold this together. So we're going to take our onions. You can't see them. Maybe I should do it from this end so you can see what I'm doing. And we're going to top all the cheese that we just stuffed in there with these onions. Shove them in there, push them down, and we're going to continue through the whole loaf. Okay, our onions are all stuffed in, and now we're going to finish it off with the remaining cheese, the Gruyere. And because it's a cheesy bread, I'm going to also add some mozzarella to it. And we're gonna bake this at 375 degrees. I'm gonna have to tell you when it's done how long it takes, because I'm not really sure. I'm gonna start with 20 minutes or 15 minutes. I'm gonna tell Alexa to set me a timer. And we wanna stick this back together. And I think that is enough cheese. And now we're gonna go in the oven. Let's see how it comes out. Our French onion soup pull-apart bread is now out of the oven. It's cheesy and toasted, and I'm gonna lift it up and let you see it. And it looks ugly because all that cheese pieces on the pan all burnt while it was cooking. So we're gonna transfer this guy to a plate, and we're gonna open it up and see what it's like. It fits perfectly on my bladder. And now let's get in. Okay, here goes nothing. I sliced it rather than pulled it apart. I just thought that would be effective, but there's our end piece, looking spectacular. And then here's one of our middle pieces, filled with that French oniony goodness. And let's see what the next slice looks like. Oh yeah. That is going to be so delicious. So this is what you have. You have French onion soup pull-apart bread. And like I say, if you wanted to, if you're serving guests, you could just put it on a platter and just have them rip off chunks and eat it. And today we're just going to leave it the way it is. This side is kind of bready, and that's okay because it's still cheesy and stuff on top. And then this is what the middle looks like. I guess I got more stuffy towards the middle. And the bread's kind of falling apart, but fun project. Thanks for stopping by and watching while I play with my food. And I'm just gonna tastes just like French onion soup, but bready and cheesy. I shouldn't chew and talk at the same time. I'm sorry. Thanks for stopping by.